everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 24th to the 28th of August 2026 on Monday. Eunice develops an instant crush on Mr. Q upon meeting him. Stanley is gutted when he loses his job on Tuesday. Mr. Q manipulates Elena to get his way. Stanley lands a job with Kwezi's nemesis on Wednesday. Elena feels crushed when Mr. Q gives her the cold shoulder after spending a night together. A common enemy forges an unlikely alliance between two men on Thursday. Mr. Q starts to regret getting involved with someone so immature. Kwezi is shaken by an unexpected alliance on Friday. Mr. Q buys an expensive gift for an unsuspecting Lena. Stanley earns praise from his new bosses while rubbing his colleagues the wrong way. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.